Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about the common base amplifier by using the Electric Studio circuit app. For the common base amplifier circuit, we want to fetch the components from this list. We want a transistor. This is an NPN BJT transistor. We all know that common base amplifier is an BJT transistor. So use this transistor, and we want resistors and capacitors. By using these components, we will make the circuit. Before that, we are going to see about some points about common base amplifier. We all know generally the common base amplifier is a very high voltage gain amplifier. So this is also called as voltage amplifier, and the current gain is very low, moderately equal to 1. And this amplifier having a base as a common, and the output of this amplifier is taken at the collector side from the C3 capacitor or that Vout, and the emitter side is also grounded. In this, input impedance is very low and the output impedance is very high. In this common base amplifier, the phase shift is 0. We can clearly see the input is a sinusoidal wave and the output is also sinusoidal wave without any change in the phase shift. So the phase shift is 0 degree in this common base amplifier. So now we will go and see about the common base amplifier circuit, how to change that. For that, we want to change the analysis to the AC. Check whether it is in AC or DC or transistors. Choose AC. For our convenient, this is in y-axis gain, stop and start values, and this frequency start and stop values. We can change that and get a model graph like that. And then if you want to rotate that transistor or any component, use that shift symbol to rotate it. And if you want to change the circuit properties, and then choose the whatever the parameters you want to change. Now we are going to see about the clearly about the common base amplifier circuit. I have already made it. So this is the circuit for the common base amplifier. If you want to change the values size, then go to scale and change it. We can clearly see the changes. Now we can check it whether it is in the AC analysis. For that, go to circuit properties. This is in the AC analysis, and I have made the values from 100 Hz to 35 MHz and the voltage value from 1 volt to 100 volt. Then choose the capacitor and then click on the voltage and choose this panel icon, show graph and show plot, and then hide it, then run. This is the gain graph for the common base amplifier. You can see that maximum gain is occurred only in the common base amplifier. If you want to use the cursor, choose cursor 1 and 2 and run it. Here, to calculate the gain value, we need to choose the cursor to place in the constant place of the curve. So place the curve in the constant place. So now the position of the cursor is about 1.22 volt. So now we are using a linear values. Instead of gain in the dB, we want to multiply this value into 0.707. approximately we are getting 0.86, that is 862 microvolt, like that. Here, after placing the cursors to 0.86 approximately to both the cursors, we are getting the difference between the higher frequency and lower frequency as 15.3 megahertz approximately. So this is the bandwidth for the common base amplifier.